What is up, everyone? What is up? Look at the market today. Not looking too shabby. Now, I'm making this video right now to say, let's try not get too ahead of ourselves, guys, because I am still expecting one final low for maybe Ethereum and for our altcoins coming over the next 2 weeks, guys. But for now, ETH is showing some decent strength. I mean, it's still under 3K, so you take that with a pinch of salt. Bitcoin at 96K, it's ranging. We're at 96K and people are in fear. It makes zero sense to me, guys. However, ICP has taken a drastic fall from grace. We're at number 36. Has it taken a fall from grace, or has everything just started to basically take over it? 3.5 billion. We were at like 5 billion not too long ago. The entire market took a dump, but a lot of these other coins are starting to pick up now. Even things like Hyperliquid, right, has just made a massive jump over the past few days. So should we be getting scared right now, guys, or is the bounce imminent? Now, I think the bounce is imminent. I think that we're coming towards the very last pain season for ETH BTC, and that means for our altcoins as well. It's oversold on the monthly RSI for the first time in history. Are you listening? History, okay? All time. Is ETH dead, or are we going to mega bounce soon? Is this a generational opportunity to be buying Ethereum? So even though I'm saying to you guys, I think that, you know, we could get a little bit lower, it doesn't mean that you guys can't DCA. I actually DCA'd a little bit of ETH today. I DCA'd a little bit of ETH yesterday as well. And I'm preparing myself for the mega bounce to come after it. People have been telling me that they've been buying coins that have been super up right now. However, you need to be trying to find opportunities in the market. Like, people are coming to me at the gym and they're saying, Lamar, I just bought XRP. And I said to the dude, I was like, bro, it's up so much. Right? There are other coins that have great potential. Tried to make him buy ICP, didn't want to buy ICP. But we are going to make it, guys. The pain's not going to last forever. It never does. This is where legends are made. You lot are motherfucking legends, right? You're all legends. The fact you've been here with me on the journey for this entire time, I appreciate all of you. And actually, I made a post as well to let all you guys know I'm going to be making some changes on the channel. We're going to be getting an editor full time because I just feel like my channel it could be better, right? So the editing style is going to change up a little bit. I'll still be myself, but just a little quick one for you guys who've been watching all the videos. Now, why do we buy cryptocurrency? Why are we trying to change our lives, guys? It is because they are in the real world to all of us with everything. Who's a coffee drinker? I drink coffee every single day, and everything prices are going up. Okay, coffee jumps to another all-time high, and I'm showing you this because it's so important for us to just realize what's happening in the world and realize that it's our duty to combat it. Nobody is going to be here to save you, to save me, to save anyone. We have to be here to save ourselves, guys. Okay, so this is the time that we've got to be putting in all of our efforts, all of our dedication to increasing our knowledge on the markets, finding out ways that we can be trying to maximize our gains, as well as trying to maximize, you know, getting some extra money to be putting into the market or to be saving, to be combating inflation. What are you doing to combat inflation? Coffee has now made a fresh all-time high, 14 consecutive trading sessions in a row. RIP my coffee drinkers. Our people are starting to see the value in ICP. Shout out Zero to Hero. Only 9.33% of ICP is left on exchanges. Take your ICP off exchanges. Take your crypto off exchanges. Take everything off exchanges. Not your keys, not your crypto. I have a vision that an exchange is going to blow up. Like, in the midst of the bear market, maybe at the top. I don't know what it's going to be. It's going to be one that we can't foresee. Maybe it might be MEXC. Okay, MEXC's done some dodgy stuff in the past, right? So be careful, because every cycle there seems to be an exchange that does blow up. If your ICP is left on an exchange, hey, guess what? You're not getting anything. Okay, so put it in the NNS, put it in your ledger, in your Tracer, in your, what's that card one? In the card, you know what I'm talking about, or the ring. And people are starting to wake up to the fact that the ICP chart is actually not a bad chart. I mean, this thing showed 1,500 this time a year ago. Now they're changing it to like 400. Imagine the froth when institutions realize that ICP is the only project that solves true Web3, and the bad chart narrative is no longer in play. It's the only thing that is fully decentralized, that it can host fully decentralized on-chain apps, on-chain NFTs, on-chain SocialFi, right? the list goes on. You guys already know the deal, but the bad chart narrative I think is going to be gone pretty soon, guys. And you couple that with where we are right now. We're in correction phase 1 of the Bitcoin cycle. Obviously, we need ETH to pick up. We need our Bitcoin pairs to pick up as well. But it looks like we're in the exact same space that we've been in every other cycle before this massive blow off top. Do you believe in the banana zone? You guys let me know if you believe in the banana zone or not. I do believe that we are going to get another push higher. How high is it going to go? I'm playing it safe. If you guys want to see my full DCA out plan for ICP, I've got that in the members club, 50% off, plus all my other coins. DCA out, because I know a lot of you guys don't just hold ICP, right? We need to be making sure that we are ready to sell. Even though the price is not there yet, these things can happen very, very quickly. If you haven't got a DCA out plan, you're going to be part of the party that holds this move here all the way down. Don't ruin your bull run, guys. And like we just said, again, shout out Blockchain Pill. It's almost as if NFTs are not hosted on the actual blockchain. Paid $2,600 for a rabbit JPEG, and this is the metadata. Denied, 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 right? Now we're going to go check out our ICP BTC chart. We're going to check out the ICP USD chart. Look at altcoins. I don't like this prediction. It says 11 hours before it goes ballistic. I'm not trying to do like the when price predictions at this point. I'm just going to be trying to say, right, now is a good time to be buying. Same way here was, same way here was, same way whenever we're oversold and about to have a bullish cross. It's usually a great indication that we are going to be getting some reversals in the market. But whether it's 11 hours, whether it's 11 days, whether it's 11 weeks, you've got to be taking this time seriously. Because when you go and check out the ICP USD chart, we're in the worst case, everybody leaves the market. I can guarantee that nobody wants to buy ICP in this zone here. But once we do break out of this descending resistance, everybody's going to want to buy it. We're still underneath the 100 MA. We're still under this resistance. We're still at buy level number 1 or number 3, however you want to call it. These are the times where you buy your crypto. Look, every single time we've been here, people would have been gagging for the chance to be buying it, guys, okay? Confluence with the previous breakout level, with previous bear market resistance levels, now flipping it into bull market supports. Guys, you're going to come back in a few months when it's at $10, $15, $20 and you're going to say it is now a good time to buy. That's the comments I get the most. That's the comments I hate the most. Now is a good time to buy. Again, not financial advice, but you can DCA in. That's what I'm going to be doing at this time, guys. The Bitcoin chart, still showing no sign of reversal as of yet. This is the weekly, guys. So once we do get a true reversal from here and then we start to have a change in character, we break these previous highs, flip them into new support. We break the 100-week moving average and then flip that from resistance into support. You're going to start to see ICP pick up against Bitcoin. We're currently finding support at the 0.5 fib. You've got the 0.618 at 806 billion, which is also in line with the bottom area of this channel. So again, if we roll over the next week, going into the end of February, beginning of March, everyone's going to be fearful. However, at this point here, this is where we buy. I'm going to mark it up now so that all of you guys can see in the future. If we ever hit this zone, guys, this is a massive buying opportunity. But you look at it from a zoomed out perspective, and guess what? This just looks like very similar to what happened with Bitcoin, guys. We broke down to 45k. Everyone was calling for lower lows. They didn't come. We then printed higher lows, retest, another low, breakout, and then we hit that 1.6 trillion for our altcoins that we've been targeting all the way from down here, guys. So that's it. You guys let me know what you think of the market. If you found any information useful, click that subscribe button. Remember, we're going to be changing the content on the channel. So yeah, you guys let me know in the next video what you think of the editing in the future videos. I'm going to go enjoy my weekend. You guys enjoy your weekend. I love you all. See you in the next one. Peace.